Look at this sleeper truck. Walked up on it from the back and saw this little pipe hanging out, or this huge pipe hanging out. Maybe that can only mean one thing. It's got an LS with a turbo on it. Still has room for another snail if you wanted to. There's a custom frame under there also. Look at it. Let's see what they got sitting on the front. Looks like 20s. Yeah, I believe it's 20s on the front. We got digital dash on there. All important boost gauge. And I believe he has is that an automatic? Yeah, it's like an automatic. Yeah. That'd been wild if I had a stick in it. It's got a roll cage in it, tucked nice and tight. Look at garage door open here. Daily driver. And yeah, check out this chassis. This is nice. Really like this. Look at this. All these battle scars. Good looking truck. Down here, Portland swap meet.